Are you ready to transform the way you invest in 2024 and beyond? I'm David Traher, a CPA with over 40 years of experience in accounting, personal finance, and investing, and the creator of this completely updated 4-hour course designed exclusively for CPAs in Canada. Let me ask you a few questions about your money. When it comes to your investments, do you ever wonder if maybe you're not making as much as you should? Do you have an investment advisor who ignores you, except when he wants more money from you? Have you ever thought about cutting your costs to the bone with a discount brokerage account? What about robo-advisors? Do you know what they are and how easy it is to set up an account with them even if you don't have much money? Do you know how to get the best GIC rates for the fixed income portion of your portfolio? This course will teach you everything you need to know to take back control of your investments and actually start getting ahead. You'll learn all about the options you have available, including full-service brokers, discount brokers, robo-advisors, and deposit brokers who can find you the best GIC rates. I'll personally demonstrate 10 different investing options using my own actual accounts to provide an authentic, behind-the-scenes look at the returns, fees, and operations. Whether it's a full-service broker like Manulife Financial, a revolutionary robo-advisor like Wealthsimple, one of 5 different discount brokers, a simple 100% GIC portfolio, or exploring the cryptocurrency frontier, this course covers it all. You'll see firsthand each account's asset allocation, the fees involved, and the real returns generated. At the end of the course, we'll have a contest that will rank each of the 10 portfolios' average annualized returns for the past 5 years from best return to worst. It's likely you'll find the results surprising. I sure did. So let's get started, shall we?